Hello, my name is Sebastián Junior Acosta Bula. I am a student of the Logistics Process Coordination Program. In this video, we present topic of well-being in academic and work life. Introduction. In this video, we'll talk about well-being in academic and work every moment. Indeed, we'll explain the importance of nutrition, physical activity, and mental well-being, and how these factors influence productivity and quality of life. Well-being and organizational process. Well-being in organization is related to having a safe and healthy every moment. A positive academic and work climate helps reduce stress and improves productivity. Managing stress is important for maintaining good health and performance. Nutrition plays a very important role in the well-being. Eating fruits, vegetables, grains, and protein help maintain energy and concentration. Balanced meals, healthy cooking methods, and drinking enough water are essential for daily performance. Physical activity and exercise help improve both physical and mental health. Activities such as walking, stretching, running, or going to the gym reduce stress, improve mood, and increase productivity. Mental well-being is also very important in academic and work life. Emotional balance, good rest, and positive relationships help people feel motivated and work better as a team. In conclusion, maintaining healthy habits shows us good nutrition, regular physical activity, and mental well-being improves performance and reduce stress. These factors are directly related to productivity and quality of life in academic and work every moment. Thank you for watching this presentation.